Okay, now there are very limited number of brand new features on One UI 4.0 which make a real difference in our day-to-day life, or let's say which are going to be used by most of us in our day-to-day phone usage. One such feature is this extra dim, which reduces the brightness level below the lowest level of brightness we have by default on the Galaxy phones. Now this feature can be enabled in 4 different ways. Before I show you that, if you love watching contents on Samsung Galaxy phones, One UI, MIUI, Android applications and anything related to technology, you are on the right channel. Make sure to press that subscribe button. Now let's see 4 ways to enable extra dim feature on One UI 4.0. The first way is very simple, and the next 3 different methods are hiding inside the settings, which I'm going to show you. Now let's look at the first one. We've got this all new extra dim button on the quick panel. When we open the quick panel, you can see we have got this toggle extra dim here. You can just tap on this to enable this. So this is a very simple way of enabling it. Now let's look at the other 3 methods. Let's go to settings. Let's tap on accessibility. This is where we have got extra dim feature menu is available. Of course, we can also access it by pressing and holding that button on the quick panel as well. Now we are in accessibility settings. Here we have got visibility enhancements. Let's tap on this. Let's scroll down to find extra dim toggle or switch over here. Let me tap on extra dim. As you can see, we have an option to turn on or off extra dim. And right below that, we have got extra dim shortcut. Let's tap on this. Now you see here, we have got 3 more different ways of enabling this extra dim feature. We have got 3 shortcuts here. The first one is tap accessibility button. When you select this particular shortcut, as you can see, we have got an all new floating button here. This is the accessibility button which is made available on One UI 4.0. Now just by tapping on this shortcut, we can enable or disable the extra dim feature. This is the first one. The next one is press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. We can just press and hold this volume up and down key, which enables this feature as well. That is cool. Now the third one is press side and volume up keys. The side key is nothing but the power button here, and the volume up keys, when you tap on them simultaneously, the extra dim feature will be enabled. These shortcuts are really useful and they are hiding inside the accessibility menu. These are the 4 different ways we can enable extra dim feature on One UI 4.0. Now when we use the phone in the dark at whatever the lowest brightness level we have on the Galaxy phone by default, it would still bother us and strain our eyes. But now with this extra dim feature, we can reduce the eye strain and also not bother the person sitting next to you in a movie theater maybe, or a person sleeping next to you in the dark. This is a very simple yet useful feature which is being offered on One UI 4.0. I suppose we should consider using this more often. That's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Make sure to subscribe to become a part of Apex community and leave a like for this video if you find it useful. You guys take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.